पंचायत वेंचणूक आता 25 जूना बदला 17 जूनाक जातली। पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन सोमारा पंचायत सचिव, पंचायत संचालक आणि बाकीच्या संबंधित अधिकाऱ्यांक बरोबर घेतल्या उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारा बरोबर बसका घेतली। थंय हो निर्णय जालो।
After I took over as Panchayat Minister, I asked them to speed up the work of delimitation, reservation of wards and other works related with the holding of Panchayat election. They came and reported back to me, we are ready for the elections anytime, we can even hold them earlier. Having due regard also to the sentiments of the people, that 24th June is the feast of St. John the Baptist, and there were representations from many angles. I thought it prudent that I should send my director Panchayat and the secretary Panchayat to the state election commissioner for consultation. So now we will be holding the elections 1 week earlier than scheduled. That's the only difference. 1 week earlier would have made it perhaps 18th of June, but as we all know, 18th of June is Kranti Divas, Goa Revolution Day. We can't hold it on that day. So it's 17th, which is a Saturday. All that the state government will do is declare it as a state holiday and will be holding the Panchayat election.
पंचायत वेंचणूक सरकार पंचायतीचे मुजती उपरांत घेता काय म्हणून विचारल्यार फ्री अँड फेअर इलेक्शनाक लागून खंय हो कळाव जाता।
It was not a postponement as people alleged. See, certain works have to be completed, election related, whether it is delimitation, whether it is reservation of the wards, whether it is moving the officials from different places, making the BDOs work, submit their reports, attend to the complaints, attend to the grievances of the people, make corrections. All this takes time. On one side we say let us have free and fair election. On the other side we want them very fast. If you do it in a haphazard manner, you can't just speed up. And one should not forget, prior to the Panchayat election, we just concluded the assembly election. So it was again election related work.
मात्र राज्य वेंचणूक आयोग अजून मेरेन तरी पंचायत इलेक्शनाच्या शेड्यूलाचेर कांयच उलयल्लो ना। आयोगाच्या नावान सरकारूच एकार एक नव्या तारखांच्यो घोशणा करीत आसा। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी।